Got the grain cart down here already. He's combining. I'm gonna park the red truck, then go for a nice walk. Maybe I'll throw the drone up the air, get some combine footage, and then walk up and get the other truck and bring that down. Making a push to get these soybeans done. This is a pretty big field down here, but you know, with a good day's work, I think we can get it. If not, pretty close to finish it. We've already gone through and opened it up, and yeah, now just kind of going through and getting everything loaded up and getting it in the bin. This is our last field. We only did a couple fields this year. Just how the rotation worked out. We'll do a bumping area here. Let me downshift. All right, there we go. Much better. So yeah, got the grain cart here. I'm gonna pull him behind that. He's got the combine there. You can see it's nice and dusty. Let me pull in here and get this shut down. All right, so I'm gonna go for a nice walk. Like I said, it's a beautiful day. Got the truck here, the little truck here, grain cart here. I say the little truck. This is our first truck we ever got. That was nice when we had the 4420, the small 4420 combine, but this truck's a little too small for this 9500. But all right, let's fire up this 3010. Tell you what, it is absolutely beautiful. I haven't put the mower away yet. Keep getting nice days like this, I might go out and make some more hay. All right, we'll let that run for a little bit. Fire up the truck. Fill up with air. Whew. All right, so I turned the fans off, plugged in the spinner, so the spinner's going, tractor's warming up. I'm gonna hop in the truck, head down and get loaded up. Oh, lovely day. Gotta love it when you can be in November and you're harvesting in a t-shirt. See beans all loaded up. He's got quite a bit of this field knocked out already. Still quite a bit to go, but he's making good progress. So. Let's let this warm up a second and then we'll unload these beans. Also, another plus in using the grain cart over the combine to fill the trucks. With the combine, you just turn it on and you have the 3-position throttle. We never open it all the way up to fill the trucks, or when we're unloading, we might just go to the middle position. But the grain cart has the door on the inside that goes, the fill door or whatever, that just a piece of metal that comes down over the auger, so you can clean out your auger. And you can open it way up and really put a lot of grain through there. You can close it up and barely open it and just put a little bit of grain through there. So when you're close to filling the truck, it's nice to close that door and just top it off. I know I could have put a little bit more in this truck, but that's all right. All right, so ran into our first issue. This belt. Let me pop this off. Yeah, hopefully we get a number off it at least. Should. Huh. Maybe. Let the boys at Napa match it up. We're in business. Well, I guess we'll get it on the machine and we'll get it, or we'll get it on the auger and then we'll turn it on, then we'll be in business. But So I tell you that sun's going down, time to throw the sweatshirt back on. Perfect time because the sun went down. Always good to have these nice bright LEDs. Alright, so I'm going to run the truck up, get that in place. My boy's got the Kubota, he's going to bring me back down and I'll grab the grain cart and then we're good to go. So we are all done with beans. It was good to get everything done, wrapped up, get that field all set. Got the 45 pulled off the grain cart and put it back on the mower. I'm gonna try to knock down another field and use that wrapper right, because I just had some settings that were off. So when I was wrapping bales last time, people were telling me that, oh, you shouldn't have to do all that extra stuff when you dump it. So I'm gonna go try to get some more hay and see if we can get that, see if I can get that working right. So anyway, that'll be for another video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. Gonna get some hay and then high moisture corn and then some dried shell. So stay tuned as harvest just keeps rolling on. I will see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.